Let's open up a Clefairy. I'm not sure what packs come in this. Pretty little Mega Clefable card. Bam. Comes with 4 packs. Chaos Raising, and 2 Perfect Order. Dark Energy, Esper, Vincino, Chespin, Stunky, Deoxys, AZ's Tranquility, Skunk Tank, Pump Kaboo, not seen that guy, Vincino, and hit. We got Cinchino EX. Very cute. Pack 2. Snorlax. Dedenne, Spritzy. Ariados. Vivillon, is that it? Vivillon. Very cute card, actually. Luxio. Decent. Reverse Esper. Reverse Probopass. And Aurorus. One day I will know their names, but it's going to take me a bit, I guess. Hopefully we get something better than the Cinchino EX, but I don't expect it. But it would be nice. Water Energy. Raid. Emolga. Voltoy. Batrat. Great Helmet. Deoxys. Prism Tower. Reverse Adversity Pulp. Oh, and we got Frogadier, right? Or no, that's Froakie. Sorry, Froakie. That is huge hit. You know, Perfect Order, or no, sorry, Chaos Rising is actually treating me pretty well with hits. Beautiful. And regular Hollow Ho-Oh. We get nothing else, I'll be happy, but I would love something out of Perfect Order here at the end. Metal Energy. Fletchinder. Klefki. Binnacle. Luxio. Raticate. Pokepad. Reverse Snivy. Reverse Rocky Energy, and Mega Skarmory EX. I already have that. I think that was my first big pull I got coming back to Pokemon. Still very happy with that. Not bad, to be honest. Out of 4 packs, I think that's pretty good. So take care. Next time I should be opening up this guy. See ya.